So yesterday we were doing second derivatives and important problems on second derivatives also we did. Today also we will do some important second derivative problems, and after that we shall take Rolle's theorem. After Rolle's theorem it is mean value theorem, MET we call it as. Mean value theorem is there. Afterwards your continuous functions we shall take. Then that finishes one big chapter, continuity and differentiability. Okay, now we shall take some problems on second derivatives. Take down this problem. One, if y is equal to tan inverse x whole square, if y is equal to tan inverse x whole square, prove that 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square y1 is equal to 2. Very important question. So if y is equal to tan inverse x whole square, prove that 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square y1 is equal to 2. A very important question, and automatically when you are differentiating you will get the answer of this. So very important. You may expect, I think this was given of this year also, correct? March 2020 they have given this question, and again your chance may be there to get it again. Now you take y is equal to tan inverse x whole square. Y is equal to tan inverse x whole square. Now differentiate with respect to x. You differentiate with respect to x. So here it is, they have asked in terms of y2, y1, you use the symbol y1, y2. If they ask in terms of dy by dx, d square over dx square, use that symbol. Now they have asked in y2, y1, now you use y is equal to tan inverse x whole square. When you differentiate y1 is equal to tan inverse x whole square, it is something like p square. Tan inverse x is p square child rule, it is 2p. 2 tan inverse x into differential coefficient of tan inverse x, that is 1 over 1 plus x square. Please note that this is chain rule. When you are differentiating tan inverse x whole square, 2 tan inverse x, 2x into d by dx of tan x, that is tan inverse x 1 over 1 plus x square. Cross multiply 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x. So now it is 1 plus x square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus x square cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now again further differentiate. We have found out because it is second derivative problem. Now further differentiate with respect to x. When you further differentiate with respect to x, it is 1 plus x square into y2. This is y1, this is product rule, this into d by dx of this plus this into d by dx of this. So 1 plus x square into differential coefficient of y1 can be differentiated y2 plus second differential coefficient y1 into v into this is 1 plus x square, differentiation 1 is 0, 2x is equal to 2 into tan inverse x 1 over 1 plus x square. Very important step. This is important step. Why it is important step is, see here, when you are differentiating product rule, this is product rule, this into d by dx of y1, y2 plus y1 into differential coefficient of 1 plus x square, it is 2x into 2 by tan inverse x is 1 over 1 plus x square. Now cross multiply 1 plus x, see here it is 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, this 1 plus x square into so much, 1 plus x square y2 plus 2x y1 is equal to 2. What I have done is, this 1 plus x square I have taken here, entire thing, you can straight away also write 1 plus x square whole square y2, y1 into 2x into 1 plus x square is equal to 2. That's all, you got the answer. So otherwise you can write like this and then cross multiply, then you can multiply 1 plus x square whole square. First thing is 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square y1 is equal to right side This is the answer. Very, very simple problem. 3-4 steps, you get 5 marks. Very easily you can score 5 marks in examination. Now I will explain again. Y is equal to tan inverse x, and this question was asked this year. Again they may ask for you also next year. Because repeatedly asking, last year also they asked this question, this year also they have asked, and next year also you may get the same question. Now it is y is equal to tan inverse x whole square. Differentiate y1 is equal to 2 into tan inverse x into differential quotient of tan inverse x 1 plus x square, or 1 plus, now cross multiply 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now you take 1 plus x square into y1, further differentiate, product rule you have to apply. 1 plus x square into y1 will become y2 plus y1 into this differential coefficient 2x equal to 2, 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x differentiation is 1 over 1 plus x square. Now it is just cross multiply 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square y1 is equal to 2. In CET problem also it's important. In CET what they may ask is the value of 1 plus x square. If this is a thing, value of this 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square y1 is equal to dash. Some options 1, 2, 0, 3. You should, closing your eyes, you should tick 2. Suppose if they ask minus 2, bring it this side, then you should write 0 is equal to 0. Okay, it's a very important problem. So this problem, please practice well because they have asked twice in the examination. So third time also you may get this question. Okay, shall I write this? 3 e to the power of 2x plus 2 e to the power of 3x. Prove that d square y over dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y is equal to 0. Very, very important. You may get it in March 2021. Already they have asked in 2017 also. Same question they have asked in 2017 also, and you may get the same question 2021 also you may get it. If y is equal to 3 e to the power of 2x plus 2 e to the power of 3x, prove that d square over dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y is equal to 0. What you should do, I will just give you the hint. Take this, call it as equation number 1. Find dy by dx from this. Find d square y over dx square. Your answer will not come as it is, as in the previous problem. Find dy by dx. Find d square y over dx square. Take this equation, LHS of this equation. Substitute for dy by dx and d square y over dx square. You will get the answer. Substitute for y, dy by dx and d square y over dx square. Then automatically you will get the answer. So now you take y is equal to 3 e to the power of 2x plus 2 e to the power of 3x. Okay? Take y is equal to 3 e to the power of 2x plus 2 e to the power of 3x. Call it as equation number 1. Now you take, differentiate this. When you differentiate, you can write dy by dx ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ y1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y1 ಅಥವಾ y2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Take dy by dx is equal to, when you are differentiating this one, 3 into 2 e to the power of 2x, there is a constant here, 2 e to the power of 2x plus 2 into 3 e to the power of 3x. This coefficient will come by the side of it. 3 into 2 e to the power of 2x, 2 into 3 e to the power of 3x, or it is 6 e to the power of 2x plus 6 e to the power of 3x. This is your dy by dx. Call it as equation number 2. Understood? What you have taken, y is equal to so much. Now dy by dx ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, differentiation ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, y and this into 3, 2 e to the power of 2x and 3 e to the power of 3x, 6 e to the power of 2x, 6 e to the power of 3x. Now further differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x, it is d square y over dx square, and you differentiate dy by dx, d square y over dx square is equal to 6 into 2 e to the power of 2x. See here, 2 e to the power of 2x plus 6 into 3 e to the power of 3x, or it is 12 e to the power of 2x plus 18 e to the power of 3x. It is 12 e to the power of 2x and 6 into 3 e to the power of 3x, 18 e to the power of 3x. This you call it as equation number 3. Now consider this. Consider this. Substitute d square over dx square this one, dy by dx this one, and y as this one. 1, 2, 3. You substitute here and simplify. You will get the answer 0. Now, now you take this one, LHS, d square y over dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y. Consider this d square y over dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y. Now what you do is substituting for d square y over dx square, dy by dx and y from 3 to 1. From 3 to and 1. 3, 2 and 1. 3 is this d square over dx square, dy by dx is this, and y is that. From 3 to 1. Substituting for d square over dx square, dy by dx and y from 3 to 1. So when you substitute d square over dx square, it is 12 e to the power of 2x plus 18 e to the power of 3x. I am taking this, I am substituting d square over dx square minus 5 into dy by dx. Substitute this one, 6 e to the power of 2x plus 6 e to the power of 3x. I am substituting for dy by dx, as well as now y, 6y, y is that, plus 6 into y again in Bariri, 3 e to the power of 2x plus 2 e to the power of 3x. You are writing for y, you are writing again 6. Nodi d square over dx square idu, dy by dx adu, and 6y ge adu bardini. Now what you should do is, now simplify this. 12 e to the power of 2x plus 18 e to the power of 3x minus 30, 5 6 30 e to the power of 2x minus 30 e to the power of 3x plus 6 plus 3, 18. 18 e to the power of 2x, then this 6 plus 12, 12 e to the power of 3x. What I have done, I have just multiplied by 5, 30, 30, 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12 e to the power of 3x. Now it is very easy, e to the power of 2x alla tagoli, 12 e to the power of 2x, illon plus ide, plus 18 plus 12, it is 30 e to the power of 2x, and take this minus 30 e to the power of 2x. See here, plus I have taken plus 12 plus 18 e to the power of 2x, 30 e to the power of 2x, and this minus 30 e to the power of 2x. Now I am taking this one, plus 18 e to the power of 3x plus 12 e to the power of 3x plus 30 e to the power of 3x, and this one minus 30 e to the power of 3x. Please understand, group e to the power of 3x, adu e to the power of 3x add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 18a plus 12a, 30a. Here also 12a plus 18a, 30a. Now it is a minus a, all will cancel. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. You can cancel here itself. Write the 0 is equal to RHS. If you do this much, you will get 5 marks. You should note, you will get 5 marks for this problem. Very easily you can score 5 marks in this problem. See again I will explain, because a very important question and they have asked once and maybe your chance to get again. Y is equal to 3 e to the power of 2x plus 2 e to the power of 3x. Prove that this. Find out dy by dx. 3 into 2, 6 e to the power of 2x, 6 e to the power of 3x. D square y over dx square ಮಾಡಿ further differentiate ಮಾಡಿ 6 ರಲ್ಲಿ 12 e to the power of 2x, 18 e to the power of 3x. You take this problem, left side ತಗೊಂಡು RHS prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Take that, find dy by dx 6y. Substitute here from 3 to 1 for these things. I have substituted. ಇದೊಂದು important 5 ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾನು 6 ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ you cancel that, you will get the final answer, and you got the answer, and this is the answer. It's a very important question. They ask it for 5 marks. Okay. Of this, one more we will do. Then we will go for different problem. And from this, you have taken. Now all of you understood. Have I done? Yes. Now we take the next problem. Very, very important. You may get it in March 2021. So, if y is equal to ae to the power of mx plus be to the power of nx, no, show that d square y over dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn y is equal to 0. Prove that d square over dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn y is equal to 0. Now, power of mx plus be to the power of nx, prove that d square over dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn y is equal to 0. Now you take this y is equal to ae to the power of mx plus be to the power of nx. Y is equal to ae to the power of mx plus be to the power of nx. Call it as equation number 1. Now find out dy by dx. When you differentiate this, dy by dx will be a is a constant, m will come by the side of x, m e to the power of nx plus b into n e to the power of nx. This you call it as equation number 2. Here when you are differentiating dy by dx, a into m e to the power of nx, mx plus n e to the power of nx. Now again differentiate because you want this is differentiate. This also differentiate with respect to its left side will become d square y over dx square will be equal to d square y over dx square is equal to a into m into another m will come e to the power of mx plus b n already there, another n will come n into e to the power of nx, or it is a m square e to the power of mx and plus b n square e to the power of nx. Understood? M into m, straight away also you can write a m square e to the power of mx, b n square e to the power of nx. Consider, now you should consider this, consider d square y over dx square minus m plus n into y minus m plus n into, dy by dx plus mn y is yes, that's all, is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಈ ಕಡೆ y minus m plus n dy by dx plus mn y you should take. Now substituting for d square y over dx square comma dy by dx and y from 3 to 1, from 3 to and 1. Substituting for 3 to 1, you can straight away write, use that wherever dy by d square over dx square, this you substitute, dy by dx you can substitute this, and mn y you can substitute this. Now we are substituting d square over dx square is am square e to the power of mx plus bn square e to the power of nx minus m plus n into, here important, minus m plus n into dy by dx ಇಷ್ಟು substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. dy by dx ಏನಿದೆ am e to the power of mx plus bn e to the power of nx. Okay, am e to the power of mx plus bn e to the power of nx, then minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn y plus mn into y ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ y ಗೆ you have to substitute a e to the power, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈಗ, a e to the power of mx plus b e to the power of nx. So substitute here for d square y over dx square, then minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into y from 1, 3 to 1 we should substitute. Now simplify this. am square e to the power of mx plus bn square, so n square, bn square e to the power of nx. You multiply ಮಾಡಿ minus ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಲಿ, just multiply this m into am square, it is am square e to the power of mx. See here you are multiplying by m this term, this minus I have kept, this you multiply here minus am square e to the power of mx then m into this one plus bmn mn e to the power of nx. Here important bmn mn e to the power of nx. Now multiply by n plus amn. Here it is amn e to the power of mx. Understood? This you should multiply. Now come to this term plus bn square e to the power of nx. Close the bracket. See this into this plus this into this and this one into this one. Now multiply this one also. Mn amn e to the power of mx plus bmn e to the power of nx. Nodi idu cover agutante. Okay. Bn e to the power of nx. Now simplify further. It is bn square e to the power of nx. Now minus in the multiply ಮಾಡಿ minus am square e to the power of mx minus bmn e to the power of nx minus amn e to the power of mx, then minus bn square e to the power of nx plus all ಎಲ್ಲ minus ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ minus that's all plus amn e to the power of mx plus bmn e to the power of nx. ಈಗ ಬಹಳ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ you should cancel. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು plus am square e to the power of mx minus am square same term plus am square e to the power of nx minus am square e to the power of nx plus bn square e to the power of nx minus bn square is the same a minus a. Now come to this minus bmn e to the power of nx plus bmn e to the power of nx goes minus am to the power of bmx minus plus am into the power of bmx. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, you will get 0. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಡಿ, but always people like me will see, go deep into it, but understood this way. But all the terms which can get cancelled, you get 0, and that is your RHS and 5 marks for this problem. Very important problem. We ought to do dy by dx ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, okay, d square y over dx square ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, take this and substitute there. Everything you just substitute, you will get the simplify, you will get the answer. Here simplification is very important. This into this, this into this, this into this, okay. Afterwards this into this into this, all the things get cancelled and you will get the answer. I hope all of you understood. Shall we go to the next problem? Okay, you take this problem, Manel Madi, please try this. If y is equal to, please take this problem and do it. Important. If y is equal to 5 e to the power of 6x, that prove that d square y over dx square minus 11, it is 11 dy by dx plus 30y is equal to 0. Very important question. Please take this problem and try in the house. Y is equal to 5 e to the power of 6x, 6 e to the power of 6x, d square over dx square is equal to 11 dy by dx plus 30y is equal to 0. One more also you can try. If y is equal to 7 e to the power of 2x plus 2 e to the power of 7x, prove that y2 minus 9y1 plus 14y is equal to 0. ಎರಡು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ you must do it, you must practice well, you will get the answer. Same way, similar way, find out dy by dx, find out d square over dx square, substitute in this. Similarly, find dy by dx. Here y2, y1 consider, y2 is d square over dx square, y1 is that. Substitute here exactly similar to the problems what we had done. What we have done so far, problems will be asked, but these two problems are there in your textbook. Let us do that also and finish off second derivative. Okay, y is equal to cos inverse x. If y is equal to cos inverse x, prove that, find d square y over dx square, find d square y over dx square, that is y to second derivative, in terms of y alone. Please underline, if y is equal to cos inverse x, find d square y over dx square in terms of y alone. That means there should not be any x. You should not see any x term because x term is given, but you have to find out in terms of y alone. See, this question, these questions they have not asked till e dates and they have not asked these questions, but it is not ruled out. They may ask for you because it is given in your textbook. 99% ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, but you cannot rule it out that this will not be asked. Now y is equal to, this is a very special type of problem. Okay, y is equal to cos inverse x. By the definition of your inverse trigonometric function, what is x? X is cos y. If y is equal to tan inverse x, x equal to tan y. Now differentiate with respect to here. You should differentiate. You can also differentiate with respect to x here. What you can do is differentiate with respect to x. Okay. If you want to differentiate with respect to, this is an implicit function. You know how to differentiate with respect to x. You know now. So when you differentiate this, left side is 1. Right side minus sin y into dy by dx. Because it's an implicit function, we are differentiating with respect to x. Minus y is 1 and x is 1, and differential coefficient of x is minus sin y dy by dx, or dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by sin y. This you should know. Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 shifted here, minus 1 by sin y, or it is dy by dx is equal to minus cosecant y. Dy by dx is minus cosecant y. Now differentiate with respect to, now further differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, because see now they only y, x ilve illa. So now he says find d square y over x square in terms of y alone ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So this again differentiate, this you call it as work 1. Now further differentiate with respect to x. When you differentiate with respect to x, this will become d square y over dx square. D square y over dx square is equal to cosecant minus ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಗೆ cosecant y differentiation you know minus cosecant y into cot y. Differentiation of cosecant y differentiation is minus cosecant y cot y. Is it over or still we should do something? Think. We have to do something because into dy by dx in the implicit function you should note, again into dy by dx you should write minus cosecant y cot y into dy by dx, or it is d square y over dx square is minus into minus sign and the plus ಆಯಿತು cosecant y cot y into what is dy by dx from 1 minus cosecant y. See here minus plus ಆಯಿತು cosecant y cot y into dy by dx. This is from what I have substituted for dy by dx minus cosecant y I have written, or it is answer is minus cosecant square y cot y. This is the answer. Minus cosecant square y now, and this is minus cosecant square y cot y. You can keep the answer as it is. Now you see it is all in terms of y only, no question of x. Again I will explain, but once have a glance, once or twice you do and go, because they may ask or may not ask, but so far they are not asked, so better you go through once. And y is equal to cos inverse x, x equal to cos y, differentiate with respect to x. Now when you are differentiating, left side 1 cos y differentiation minus sin y dy by dx, or dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by sin y. Minus 1 by sin y is minus cosecant y. Differentiate with respect to x, d square y over dx square left side minus into cosecant y minus cosecant y cot y. Here extra thing is into minus t into dy by dx you should write. And what is the dy by dx from 1 minus cosecant y? Now minus cosecant square y cot y. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಲ್ಲ minus cosecant square y into cot y cos y by sin y. ಆ sin y ನ 1 by cosecant y cosecant cube y ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು but keep that. And that yes, one more problem is there in second derivative. We shall finish off that and then we shall go for Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem is a very important thing. Rolle is a Greek mathematician and he has found out his theorem, both MVT, mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem. It is named after him. Actually, I will tell you something about that later when I take up that. Now we take one more problem. Shall I run this? This is an important one. So far they have not asked this question. One more question is there in your textbook. Then it finishes all your second derivatives. If e to the power of y into 1 plus x equal to 1, prove that d square y over dx square is dy by dx whole square. Very important, given in your textbook. As I said, like previous problem, you go through twice and then do this problem also. So far they have not asked this question. Also, maybe your chance to get. So better practice well. If e to the power of y into 1 plus x equal to 1, prove that d square y over dx square is so much. Now here, one trick you should do. Given e to the power of y into 1 plus x equal to 1, correct? Now it is, what you can do is 1 plus x equal to 1 over e to the power of y. See here, what I have done, 1 plus x is equal to 1 by e to the power of y I have done. Now this is nothing but 1 plus x is equal to e to the power of minus. You should note here, 1 plus x is equal to e to the, take it up, e to the power of, you cannot differentiate directly, you won't get the answer. So what you should do is e power y into 1 plus x equal to 1. Now 1 plus x is equal to 1 by e to the power of y. Now it is 1 plus x is equal to 1 by e to the power of y can be written as e power minus y. Differentiate with respect to x. Now when you differentiate with respect to x, this is 0 plus this is 1. You know this is 0 constant 1. The x variable. Here it is when you are differentiating minus e to the power of minus y. This coefficient minus 1 into e to the power of minus y into, you should write, that is very important, dy by dx. Very important thing is you should not leave, because it is a what function, not parametric, it is implicit function. You should minus e to the power of minus y into that dy by dx. Okay, now what is dy by dx from this? Dy by dx is equal to, here it is already there, 1 by minus e to the power of minus y. This will come by, this is 0, 1 by so much, or it is dy by dx is equal to minus e to the power of, take it up, it is e to the power of y. Dy by dx is minus e to the power of y. See, understand, here e to the power of y, 1 plus x equal to 1 over e to the power of y. 1 plus x is equal to e to the power of minus y, differentiate with respect to x, 1, e to the minus e to the power of minus y dy by dx. What is dy by dx is minus 1 over e to the power of minus y, e to the power of y. You can take equation number 1. Further differentiate with respect to x, you get d square, left side ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, d square y or dx square is minus ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and this will become e to the power of y. E to the power of y, when you are differentiating minus minus e to the power of y as it is e to the power of y, but into n ಬರೀಬೇಕು, that is very important. You should write dy by dx, because when you are differentiating y variable, you should write dy by dx. Now it is d square y over dx square is equal to minus e to the power of y into dy by dx, sorry, minus e to the power of y is nothing but dy by dx. From 1, actually, from 1, minus e to the power of y is dy by dx into dy by dx. This is from 1. This is from 1. Now d square y over dx square is equal to dy by dx into dy by dx, dy by dx. That's all the answer. Now I will repeat it. E to the power of y into 1 plus x equal to 1, 1 plus x equal to 1 by e to the power of y, 1 plus x equal to e to the power of minus y, and differentiate with respect to x. This is 1. Minus will come here, e to the power of minus y dy by dx. Now it is dy by dx is minus 1 over minus 1. That minus illu hakobodu. It is minus e to the power of y. Further differentiate d square or dx square. You call it as equation number 1. Minus e to the power of y as it is into dy by dx. But what is this minus e to the power of y is dy by dx. We are putting from 1 dy by dx into dy by dx, or it is dy by dx whole square. So now this finishes your second derivative problems. Now we shall go for Rolle's theorem. This finishes all your second derivative. I hope you have taken. Last two problems have a glance and go, because last two problems so far they have not asked. So once or twice you do it and go. But my strong feeling is up to the last two problems what we have done are very important, and they are going to ask those questions definitely. Okay, every time one of them will be picked and they are asking those questions. Okay, now we shall take Rolle's theorem. Rolle's T-H-E-O-R-E-M. Rolle's theorem. Here you should know one thing, understand one thing. Rolle is a mathematician. He is a Greek mathematician, and he found out this theorem. They call it as Rolle's theorem. And many people, they think that even today Greeks are the best mathematicians, and Greek mathematicians are old mathematicians, and they have found out so many things. That is Pythagoras theorem or Thales theorem. All we feel that it is the first theorem existing, and these were found out by Greeks. But the case is not so. All the things were there in our book itself, Aryabhatta, Bhaskaracharya, and all these people. And it was in, I have forgotten the lady's name also, there is written, many sutras also. Everything was there in Sanskrit, in Upanishads also were there, Vedas were also there, all problems were there. But we ignored, we did not care much for Sanskrit. So Sanskrit books were stolen by Germans, and then from there Greeks, and they feel that, and from that they copied, and they feel that they have found out the Thales theorem and Pythagoras theorem, and they say, they claim that they are the first person to find out that. But all these things, Rolle's theorem, everything, there is one more rule, L-hospital rule, these are all were there in Indian books itself, our Vedas itself it was there, but we did not care much for Sanskrit. That is the reason we lost all the things, and credit goes to Greek. Anyway, that is a different part of it. Now, what is Rolle's theorem? We should write down. Problems will be asked either every year, one in Rolle's theorem or in the other one, MVT theorem. That is, MVT is mean value theorem. Don't call it as motor vehicle tax. It is mean value theorem. Either they will ask the problem on Rolle's theorem or mean value theorem. So now let us take Rolle's theorem. With Rolle's theorem problem, so we shall try to solve. If time is there, we shall also take MVT. Otherwise, in my next class, we will take up that, and afterwards we will take continuity. Here we have to write continuous function anta. Continuous function anta baribeko, but ಆ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. What is continuous function ಅಂತ ಅದು ನಾವು continuous function ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ. Then I will explain it. What is definition? Rolle's theorem. Let write down this. Let f a to b in the closed interval 2r. Let a closed interval, two numbers, real numbers a and b, 2 are set of real numbers, b continuous. This is what you have to suppose. If they are asked define Rolle's theorem anta kelidre, you have to reproduce the same thing. 90% they will ask only problem, they will not ask definition. Okay, but to your bad luck, if they ask Rolle's theorem definition, you have to write. That's why I am writing definition also. Let f a to b to r, b a continuous function be continuous on closed interval AB. It is a continuous function on AB and differentiable on open interval AB such that f of A is equal to f of B. Very important condition. F of A is equal to f of B. Differentiable on A comma B such that f of A is equal to f of B. Then there exists C belonging to this interval AB. Then there exists C belonging to A comma B, that is belonging to that interval AB where A and B are some real numbers. A and B are some real numbers and such that f of dash C is equal to 0. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ you will not understand anything till I work out problem. But the definition, please take it out again as it is. Let f a comma b closed interval. ನಿಮಗೆ last year I think madam must have taught you what is closed interval. Closed interval ಅಲ್ಲಿ a b ನು ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ a b ಕವರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. That is x a less than x less than b. That means x lies between a b ಅಂತ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x equal to a or x equal to b ಅಂತಾನು closed interval ನಲ್ಲಿ, that is the definition. Now let f a to b to r set of real numbers be continuous. It is a continuous function. All polynomial functions are continuous function. When I take a continuous function, I will ask you to write that also. So, but here for time being, you should say that it is continuous. Continuous on this closed interval. Continuous ಬಂದಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ you should write closed interval. Differentiability ಬಂದಾಗ open interval ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Let f a to b to r be continuous on ab closed interval and differentiable ಅಂದ್ರೆ differentiation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ on ab open interval such that f of a is equal to f of b, one condition, and then there exists c, one c belonging to this interval ab where a and b are real numbers such that f dash c is equal to 0. Please write down the definition. Adali more condition we have to prove. This is very important. When a Rolle's theorem is given, verify Rolle's theorem for the function anta kotre, what you should do is, first you should say it is continuous on that interval. Next condition you should say, because 1 mark will be kept in mind, you please bear it in mind. 3 marks question ido, 1 mark ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರೆಯಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Be continuous on this, differentiable on this, and you have to take this condition, prove f of a is equal to f of b ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then there is some c such that f dash c is equal to 0. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ c ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ c ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ then it is Rolle's theorem is verified or proved. Now you should take some problems, then you will understand better. You have taken this definition? Yes. 99% definition they will not ask Rolle's theorem. They will ask you to prove Rolle's theorem verified. Take the problem. Verify Rolle's theorem. Important question for examination. Every time, either Rolle's theorem or either they will ask Rolle's theorem or your what theorem it is, MET, that is mean value theorem, they will ask. You take this problem. If yes, verify Rolle's theorem. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function y is equal to x squared. See, y is a function of x. fx ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ y ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. y is equal to x squared plus 2 comma where a is minus 2 and b is plus 2. A very important problem. You have to prove. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function y is equal to y andre fx anta. Always y is a function of x. I told you explicit function y is equal to x squared plus 2 where A is minus 2, B is 2. That means you have to verify Rolle's theorem. ಈ ತರನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. Theorem for fx is equal to x square plus 2 where x belongs to e to the power. ಈ ತರ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. minus 2 comma 2. Just they may ask to prove A is minus 2 and B instead of this they may ask this also or they may this is nothing but A and this is nothing but B. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function fx equal to x square plus 2 x belonging to minus 2 plus 2. So this is the function we have to verify Rolle's theorem. I told you first two conditions repeat as it is. First condition is the given function, write down how we have to write present the answer. The given function, this is a must, you must write. The given function fx y andre y antane baridi no problem. X square plus 2 is continuous. I told you continuous. These are all called polynomial functions. This is polynomial function of degree 2, polynomial function of degree 3, and there is a rule: all polynomial functions are continuous. So given function fx equal to x square plus 2 is what is continuity and continuity we will prove in the next class when I take up continuous function. Now for time being you should write like this only. The given function fx equal to x square plus 2 is continuous on this open interval, closed interval. Whenever it is continuous function you should write closed interval. This is called closed interval. Okay, continuous because you can write all polynomial. This is a polynomial function. All polynomial function you should note by the reason all polynomial functions are continuous. So here this is also continuous function, but if you write this much is enough. The given function fx x square plus 2 is continuous on minus 2 ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. minus 2 comma 2 you can say it is a polynomial. You can always say it is a polynomial function. Second one, understood? Simply write ಈ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ Rolle's theorem and MVT we will take up the continuous function. It is called continuity. Then I will show you how to prove that it is continuous. Okay, now it is continuous. You write for time being this is continuous on minus 2 comma 2 as it is all polynomial functions are continuous. Now second one, the given function fx is equal to x square plus 2 is differentiable. See, you can differentiate. When you differentiate it is 2x and this is 0. So it is definitely differentiable. Is differentiable. Very important here. Word not only differentiable, illi continuous. Is differentiable on the ill interval ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ open interval ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. You should write. Very important thing is the given function fx is equal to x square plus 2 is differentiable on minus 2 comma 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ continuous ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ you should write close interval ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದು ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ differentiability ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ you should write open interval minus 2 comma 2. Now third condition is first two. Third condition is you have to prove f of a is equal to f of b. Okay, now you take to prove that third condition ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ f of a is equal to f of b. How to prove that? What is a you know minus 2 and b you know 2. Okay, now a you know and b you know. F of x you know. F of x is x square plus 2. F of a ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. F of a ಅಂದರೆ f of minus 2 because this is first one a, second one b. ಅಥವಾ a b ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. First one is a and second one is b. Now f of minus 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. minus 2 square plus 2 or it is 4 minus raised to the even power is plus 4 plus 2 6. So f of a is f of minus 2 is 6. Now find out f of b. Same thing, f of b is plus 2. So f of x is x square plus 2. F of b ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ, that is f of 2. b is 2. It is 2 square plus 2 or 4 plus 2, it is also 6. See, f of a no 6, so f of b no 6, so you can write that, because 1 into you can write from 1 into f of a is equal, one more thing I will tell you. See, this MET and Rolle's theorem, you have got geometric interpretation. Geometric interpretation we are not taking up. That is not there for you. You have got only the algebraic portion of it, and geometrical meaning with the graph you should write where it stops is Rolle's theorem, where it continues it is, that is there. That we are not going to discuss. I don't want to fill unnecessary things in your head. So it is not given in your textbook. The geometric interpretation you have to solve the problems proving Rolle's theorem. That is algebraically. Okay. Now f of, afterwards don't ask me why you are not shown the geometric graph. That is not there for you. F of a is from 1 into f of a is equal to f of b is equal to 6. So you have proved third condition. One condition is this, second condition is this, and third condition is f of a is equal to f of b. Last condition is there exists c such that f dash c is equal to 0 and c should belong to that interval a comma open interval a comma b. Now you know f of x is equal to x square plus 2. F of x is equal to x square plus 2. Write out f dash x. F dash x and it is differentiation. You should note that is differentiation. F dash x is nothing but 2x. 2x plus 0, that is 0, 2x. What is f dash c in the first f dash x can equal f dash c, x ke c hakoli, it is 2c. Understand? Fx is so much, f dash x is 2x and f dash c is 2c. Whatever there x you put c, 2c is at f dash. Whether now f dash c is equal to 0, there exists c such that f dash c is equal to 0, 2c is equal to 0, c is equal to 0 by 2, it is also 0. Now check this 0 belongs to this interval, open interval, minus 2, 2. How the c, definitely c is equal to 0 belongs to minus 2, you should not write closed interval, because when you take a number line, it is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. This 0 is covered in this interval. E interval only 0 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So this belongs to minus 2. That means all conditions are satisfied. Condition number 1, continuity. This is 2. Serial number 2 is differentiability. Third is f of a is equal to f of b. And last one, there exists c such that f dash c is equal to 0, f dash x ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ f dash c ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, that should be equal to 0. Find the value of 0. This c belongs to this particular minus 2. You should write line ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Since all the conditions are satisfied, four conditions, 1, 2, and here f of a is equal to f of b, last one c belongs to that particular interval. All conditions are satisfied. Rolle's theorem for given function is verified. For given function verified. You should write that Rolle's theorem for given function verified, or you can say that you can do that Rolle's theorem for given function verified, or you can say that Rolle's theorem is applicable is given function. So verified and given function. Again, you should verify different continuity ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಬದಬಿಡಿ, ಇದು ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಈಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ, ಸಾರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ minus 2 is f of 2. That is f of a is equal to f of b is equal to 6. That is proved. Next one, f dash x equal to 0. f dash x ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು then is f dash c ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆ c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಂದು ಸಮಯ c 3 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು 3 does not belong to this see 3 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ 3 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಗ 3 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 3 does not belong to my 3 is here so then you say since the fourth condition not satisfied this Rolle's theorem is not applicable 90% of the problem they will ask only when it is applicable ಅದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುವಂತದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ so like that you should write and next thank you next class we will take the other problem